Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need Magic Show. So in this video I'm going to show you a new kick-ass feature which is the ability to dynamically create system messages based upon the landing page of where you are creating your AI chatbot from. Now, a system message, if you don't know already, it is this thing here, system message. And if you look at, for instance, this guy, right? You see here, you are Frank, a sales executive, blah, 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 etc. It's basically an instruction to ChatGPT informing it how to behave when it is invoking ChatGPT. So what we are doing now, because you see an AI chatbot consists of three elements. You have the system message, that is the instruction to ChatGPT about how to behave. Then you have the RAG database, which is the context database from where it is extracting information that is relevant to the query you're asking the AI chatbot. And then, of course, there's the LLM, right? Or OpenAI or ChatGPT for our purpose. So now, by actually using ChatGPT and OpenAI to dynamically create a system message based upon the AI chatbot you are specifically creating, all of a sudden quality of the chatbot actually increases like a lot. So it's impossible to quantify for obvious reasons, but I'm going to be scraping HubSpot here just to illustrate an example of just how much higher quality the AI chatbot in the end becomes. You see here now, when you choose a persona or a flavor, you can choose between a bunch of them. You see all of those that contains the keyword dynamic within them, they are actually dynamically created by extracting relevant product and services information from www.hubspot.com for this particular AI chatbot. If I create a chatbot for food.com, it's going to extract relevant information from food.com to create that system message. And then there are two dynamic system messages as of this video. There's the Shopify one, which is specifically targeting and intended to work in collaboration with our Shopify plugin. And then there's the general one that's just like selling products and services, right, as a sales executive. We will be creating more of these dynamic system messages in the future. And in fact, you can actually create your own ones. If you go to create, you open up HyperID. I'm going to open it in a different tab here. Go into etc. Go into system, you go into OpenAI, and then you choose system message here now. If I create a Hyperlambda file here now, from the recipe that you can find, let's see, system messages, system message, OpenAI, system messages, by copying, for instance, Frank here, which is a dynamic system message, and replacing these template fields, then you can actually create your own template, which is probably super valuable, especially for white labeling partners of us, because it allows you to actually automatically using OpenAI and you know AI and LLMs and development automation to dynamically create a highly targeted system message for your clients. So, however, instead of me like going berserk trying to explain this, let me show it to you how it works. I'm going to choose Frank. That is the one you should choose if you're creating just like a general sales AI chatbot. Only if you're using Shopify, you should be using Lisbeth. So I'm going to use Frank here and click start. And then I'm going to fast forward this YouTube video for some 5 to 10 minutes, which point the AI chatbot will be done and we can test it and we can actually check to see its quality. So now the chatbot is done. So, but before we look at the system message, let's try it out. So I'm going to click the demo link here, which brings me to a demo site where I can try out this chatbot. So now let me pretend that I am a lead, a prospect at HubSpot.com looking for a CRM, right? Hi. And notice how the sales conversation is driven forward. First of all, it's identifying itself. I'm Frank, your friendly HubSpot sales chatbot. How can I assist you today with your marketing, sales, or service needs? I've got a, let's find some business. Okay, dental clinic, right? Maybe I have a dental clinic and I need a CRM system to handle my patients. That's great to hear. Dental clinics can significantly benefit from a comprehensive platform like HubSpot to attract new patients, engage with existing ones, and streamline operations. Whether you're looking to improve your online presence, manage patient relationships, or automate administrative tasks, HubSpot has a suite of tools that can help. To better understand how we can assist you, this is now a sales executive in the exploration phase. To better understand how we can assist you, could you tell me more about your current marketing and patient management practices? For instance, how do you currently attract new patients? You see, the chatbot is asking questions, leading the conversation forward. Do you use any software for appointment scheduling or patient communication? Are there any specific goals or challenges you're facing that you'd like to address? Understanding these aspects will help me recommend the most suitable HubSpot solution for your dental clinic. And then, of course, it provides conversation follow-up questions. I'm going to be answering, I am primarily attracting new patients from my website. It's created in WordPress. So now I'm answering two of the questions, right? What software I'm using and how I'm attracting patients. Fantastic. A strong online presence is crucial for attracting new patients. Having a WordPress website is a great start. HubSpot can complement your existing website by enhancing your inbound marketing efforts and help you convert more website visitors into patients. You see it attaching itself onto the previous conversation, leading the conversation forward in a sales funnel based upon what we currently know is best practices in regards to sales psychology. Here are some ways HubSpot can work with your WordPress website. It keeps on referring back to the information I've already given it. Lead generation, marketing automation, CRM integration, analytics, content strategy, patient experience. You see already now, okay, it's talking to me directly as if I am a dentist, period, right? So it doesn't bring in irrelevant information whatsoever. If you're interested in seeing how HubSpot can enhance your patient acquisition and retention efforts, I'd be happy to arrange a free demo for you. Would you like to proceed with that? Yes, right? Simple one-word answer. And immediately the chatbot understands the context of the conversation, realizing I'm interested in a demo. Live demonstration is a fantastic way to see firsthand how HubSpot blah, blah, blah. To get started, you can request a free demo here. Maybe I now have an objection, right? Or another question. What's the price? I don't know even if realize these AI chatbots scrape 100 pages. So, I mean, it's got like 10% of the quality of a production grade AI chatbot. So it might not be able to actually answer the questions related to price, but let's see what it comes up with. HubSpot offers a range of prices, include tailored, blah, blah, different, blah, blah, marketing hub, sales hub, blah, 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 and it doesn't have any prices. Now I can ask it, I've got a very small budget. I am worried about paying too much, right? If I knew the price now, I'd say it's a bit expensive. The point is I'm now in the objection phase of the sales process. Now the chatbot comes in and says, I completely understand your concern about budgeting, especially when it comes to investing in new tools. Right, here's a quick overview of what you can do with HubSpot's free tools. Now it's completely eliminating my original objections. Free CRM, free marketing tools, free sales tools, free service tools. It's completely eliminating every single original objection I have, right? How can I sign up for HubSpot's free tools? Perfect conversation follow-up question. just like by default, out of the box provided specifically to target a sales conversation with an AI chatbot specifically created for HubSpot. And here's the entire recipe. Bullet lists or ordered list of 6 points I can now do to register and get my own free HubSpot tools suite or whatever it is. So now with that in mind, let's go back to our Cloudlet. Let's close this window. Let's go to manage. And let's look at machine learning and let's see why it is so high quality. Right? If I now search for HubSpot and I look at this guy now, you will see something that's new as of this release. And it's this part. And let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. First of all, it knows the name of the company, about HubSpot. Then it explains roughly the value, what HubSpot is about. AI-powered customer platform with all software integration, resource, blah, blah, blah. HubSpot's value proposition. Software that's powerful, not overpowering. Seamlessly connect your data, teams, and customers in one AI-powered customer platform that grows with your business. HubSpot solutions. HubSpot offers solutions for every business challenge, including attracting qualified leads, converting them into customers, driving revenue, managing campaigns with automation and AI, and helping sales teams engage with prospects. HubSpot services, range of services including onboarding and consulting services and the opportunity to hire a service provider. Social proof, 205,000 customers in more than 135 countries, including eBay, DoorDash, Reddit, Casio, Bitly, TripAdvisor, blah, 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 blah. Your task. As Frank, that's the only place we mention the name of the AI chatbot. Remember? Hello there, I'm Frank. As Frank, a friendly and professional sales chatbot employed by HubSpot, your task is to interact with users by continuing the conversation from the chat, blah, blah, blah. HubSpot features, blah, 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 etc., etc., etc. So basically, by using ChatGPT and OpenAI to dynamically create 100% personalized and custom system message on a per AI chatbot basis, I feel personally that now it is possible to significantly increase the quality of your AI chatbot using iNiro without adding manual workload. And as I started out with, you do this in Create Chatbot Wizard. And when you choose your flavor, choose one of the most relevant dynamic flavors. It must have the dynamic keyword here in order to become a personalized chatbot. You can also modify this afterwards in machine learning. If I now choose HubSpot, right? And I configure it, and I choose a flavor up here. It has the word dynamic in it. Let's say I want to have a Shopify sales executive, for instance. Click this guy. Now I give a website, www.hubspot.com, at which point it actually extracts relevant information from HubSpot, sends it to ChatGPT, and creates a highly personalized system message that becomes an instruction for the AI chatbot. So, I mean, obviously these kinds of things are like literally impossible to quantify, but personally, I feel that this probably increases quality of our AI chatbots by somewhere between 50 to 150% out of the box. You could previously do this by manually creating a system message, right? But the point being that we now have 100% targeted system message on a per AI chatbot basis based upon the website where the AI chatbot is supposed to be embedded. And I think that's pretty kick-ass. Anyways, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.